In this video, I will show you how to make an authentic Greek salad. A typical Greek salad does not have lettuce. It has tomatoes, make sure they're room temperature, onions. You can put green pepper, that's optional. Some people do, some people don't. Oregano, olive oil, salt, and of course, feta cheese. First, when I clean the pepper, the way you clean it, you take the inside, pull it out. That's it. Okay? And you can cut it pieces like this. Okay? Tomatoes. Take the core out. And we just cut it irregular. Doesn't have to be wedges. Onion. We'll cut some feta cheese. I just crumble it in. It doesn't have to be cut in pieces. Then salt. Again, to taste. But don't put too much because the feta cheese itself has a lot of salt. Oregano. This is one from my home city actually. Again, to taste. Some people like more, some people like less. And olive oil, which also happened to be from my home city in Greece. Notice also, we don't put vinegar in it. And then take a nice big spoon, mix it like this. And then I would let it sit for, I would say 20 to 30 minutes before I serve it. And this is how you make an authentic Greek salad.